Hello friends, welcome to Circa Naukri Express. Here in this video, we are going to see the recruitment process for management trainee as well as a Hindi officer. So before proceeding on with the video, let me request the viewers that kindly subscribe our channel, since 75% of the viewers who are not subscribing our channel. So not only subscriptions, so whatever it might be either the love or the hate. Kindly show us with the responses of likes, dislikes, as well as the comments, so that we know your response, and we might tend to improve us, as well as your responses will make us to further work with great pleasure as well as with a great motivation. So without further delay, let us proceed off with the video. So the recruitment called for the management trainee as well as the Hindi officer scale 1, called by Agriculture Insurance Company. Okay, so the total number of vacancies was 31. The starting date of application was 23rd November 2021, and the last date of application was 13th December. So don't miss the opportunity. Don't go to the deadline and apply. Kindly make use of the dates and apply as early as possible. The application mode was through online only, and the selection process was through interview alone. So kindly make use of the opportunity. Only interview process going to takes place. So this is the official notice for your reference. So when it comes to the notification, it was released on 23rd November, and the online registration also been started from 23rd November of 8 a.m. and the closure of application on 13th December. So since this is the same which we already seen, and the last date of printing your application was 28th December. So after that, you will not have been provided for printing your application, since it is needed after your interview process if you have been selected. So kindly take the print. So, and the online P payment, the date was between 23rd November to 13th December. Okay, see, you have to note the deadlines very clearly. The closer of registration here was 13th December. Okay, the same date was for also the for online fee payment, but printing of application you can take up to 28th December. So the admit card will be released 10 days before the examination, and the exam date will be tentatively on January 2022. So within 1 month the exam is going to happen. So prepare well. Okay, so when it comes to the vacancy split up with the reservation criteria, so everything I have been given detailedly here. Kindly go through it. So when it comes to the pay scale, the management trainee will have about 40,000 per month, and the Hindi officer scale 1 will have 65,000 rupees. So when it comes to the examination fee, so for SC, ST and PWD candidate, it was about 200, and all other categories, general category, OBC category, economic weaker section people, everyone has to pay 1,000 rupees. So when it comes to the eligibility criteria, engineering candidates, after that Bachelor of Science, MCA, BCom, MBA, so all can apply for this particular post. And the disciplines, that is for the management trainee, so we have about 30 vacancies, right? So in 30 vacancies, the various disciplines are agriculture science, IT, legal and accounts. So these are the disciplines. So the members who are being recruited will be filled in this disciplines. Okay, so for Hindi officer, you need to have the qualification of postgraduate degree in Hindi with English knowledge. That is, if you are having any degree with English background, but you need to have the postgraduate degree in Hindi. So when it comes to the selection stages, it was taking place through 2 stages of recruitment process. One was online examination followed by the interview process. So that's it, friends. We finished the recruitment process details. So kindly share the video, since all the streams of most of the streams of education members have been able to apply. Kindly share the video with your friends who are looking for the job with the essential qualifications. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video with your friends who are in need of job, so that the motto of the channel might get succeed through you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.